Hey leaders, hope you're doing awesome. For this tutorial video, I'm going to share with you how you can use a video as your background of your funnel and your website. Yes, that is possible. Not only that you can use graphics or photos or images, you can also use videos or animated GIFs as well in your funnels or website. But the trick is, since the builder does not currently or natively support video as like a background, what you can do is actually create a video or download a video and then kind of like convert that into a GIF. So I'll give you an example. You can use Canva videos actually in order to find the right one for you. So for example, you go to Canva, you click on the search bar and then you can type, for example, video background. So I think this one, let's use this as an example. I know this is a bit dramatic, but it depends on your taste and what you need in your funnel or website. So for example, this one right here, I'm going to download this, but make sure that you use a GIF, so that it's a short clip instead of an actual video. Now what happens is that this will allow you to actually be imported in your funnel website as a photo. So even if it's kind of like a GIF, not a video, it will still show, or like the effect that you want to happen for like a video background, that can be possible. So let's wait for the download a bit, and once that's downloaded, you can just replace the background image with that GIF, and then you can click on save and you're good to go. Let's see the magic happens. All right, so I have downloaded the GIF already, so let me try and change the background. Okay, I'm gonna import the downloaded document or GIF right here. Mhm. Okay, now I can't find it for some reason. It's kind of blue line. There you go. So once you import the GIF, you can use this as a background and it will show kind of like a video instead. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna click this. So now if you can see, this is a GIF, but it looks like, it's a video playing in the background in your funnel website. So I put a fade here. That's why it's kind of like white-ish. But if you click on none, the detail will be a lot, clear. But I suggest that you use a background image opacity to like light fade or half fade, just so the um, the characters or like your copy pops up, because it's important to read what you want to tell your audience instead of like the background being noticeable, right? So that's that. Hope you learned something today. This is a tip, real quick, to actually take your website and funnel to the next level and make it a lot beautiful and impactful. Hope you learned something today. If you need more information or custom tutorial video, let us know so we can create them for you next week. Have a great weekend.